Like many of you, I sadly have not seen a gym in many months now. Although my mind and body are definitely sad about it, my wallet definitely is not. I'll get into the details of how absurd my gym lifestyle spending was pre-pandemic, but for now, I just wanted to give a quick thank you to Coho for sponsoring this video and helping to get me on track with my budgeting and my spending all through their seamless prepaid Visa app and card. The beauty of Coho is that it acts like a checking account while giving you the perks of a Visa account. So more on that at the end of the video, and how you can start getting cash back today with every purchase that you make and by referring your friends and family. But for now, let's get into the transformation. You're gonna see we're gonna do something to like kind of separate the two sections because I don't really want to be working out in the kitchen. Too much temptation. And then over here, which is where I put everything, is kind of like a little sunroom area. We honestly don't use this room that much. Sometimes we'll eat in here because like nice views of our rustic backyard. I bought things for this space a few months ago. Literally, this is probably the biggest workout I've done in the last 3 months, putting together this whole little space. So I thought I would give you guys a haul of what I got to fill the space because it's not gonna be so much like a transformation. We're gonna do a couple DIYs. Ultimately, the space kind of just is what it is. We're not gonna be here probably in 6 months, so I don't wanna like build stuff. I got this pack of resistance bands, a classic, a go-to booty growing classic. I also got this other form of resistant bands. They're a little bit more diverse than these guys right here. We've got a jump rope. I guess the ceilings could permit for that. This ball, and most recently, I finally got my hands, literally, on these little bar kind of soft ball weights. And this is what I'm used to using at bar workouts. So these were sold out all across the board, the internet, for so freaking long because I guess just like any type of weight was in high demand during quarantine. Oh yeah, and how can we forget the quarantine bike that asked me if I've taken her for a spin. Let's hope this is an easy build. Am I done? So I'm really hoping this is not going to be too hard and not turn into a colossal mess. So we want to start here. Great. I was originally going to have mirrors going all the way across, and I still could to make it look bigger, but I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose because this air conditioner unit is going to be here realistically like all the time up until winter. So I think I'm going to just start on that side, make my way over, and see how it goes. I really truly thought I was on something here, but help. You think that would pass as a mask? We all saw this coming. Let's not even pretend. So before I put the final little touches on this little space, I want to give a big shout out to today's sponsor, which is Coho. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about Coho because they are a Canadian-based company and I love supporting local companies and trying to like spread the word about a good thing to you guys, and this one specifically has to do with money, which, you know, can be a sensitive topic right now, but it's something that I've been wanting to talk about more on my channel. Pre-pandemic, I was spending upwards of $300 plus parking and gas and all that. We're not even gonna talk about that stuff. That is just frightening. On a gym membership, workout classes, I feel like our generation is just kind of taught that that is the norm, when in reality we can be doing things to save money and still live a healthy and active lifestyle. So some of you guys might be wondering, what is Coho? How does it tie into this video? So Coho is actually a prepaid Visa card. All those expenses that I talked about before, $12 smoothies, $100 workout sets, I don't even want to get back into it. All those things were being put onto my credit card. I was spending money that I didn't have. The beauty of Coho is that you're spending money that you have. You can actually spend your money through the virtual app, which is so seamless. So some might be wondering, how do you get said money that already exists onto your Coho card? Well, the app makes it super easy to load funds directly from your bank through an e-transfer or connecting your account directly. One of the coolest things too is that you're actually getting cash back for every transaction. It is free to use, free to sign up for Coho. Coho actually benefits you guys by allowing you to spend money that you have in a more savvy way by helping you budget and save for long-term goals. As you guys can see here, I have a little special something else that I'm gonna be saving for. So I've added in the feature where it rounds my dollars up every time I make a purchase, so that that dollar is gonna go into my savings, and hopefully I'll be able to, you know, create something else cool one day. For me, what I did was I put $100 in at the start of the month, and that really allows me to see like the money that I have and how it's being spent. So I'm gonna leave my referral link down below for you guys, and every referral that you guys make to people in your friend group, your family, you can earn up to 10% cash back. That is a lot of coin. Also, the fact that they have super aesthetic cards. My pink and gold one is in the mail, and you guys will definitely be seeing it in a vlog coming soon. Also, on average, Coho users in the first few months have reduced their spending by 7%. So your girl's gonna try and be a little bit more savvy in the spending department. Segueing into what we got at the dollar store to add the final touches to this room, because you guys know I think big. I had like a million different ideas for this, but in reality, this is not our forever home, and I didn't want to put hundreds of more dollars into it when I figured, you know what, I can track my spending, I can save a little. So here is what I picked up earlier. I got a water bottle. This one is actually really cool. It turns into a cup. I want to pick up some little towels, and how freaking cute are the colors of these ones. 2 candles, some fake flowers, because my allergies literally ruin every opportunity for me to have real flowers in this house, so we have to compromise. Double-sided tape, Bristol board, rug stuff, and 2 little cute aesthetic plastic bins that are hopefully gonna match this space pretty darn well. So before we get to like placing all those things around, I'm gonna do a quick DIY. It's very simple, it's nothing too crazy or out there, but I really want to have some pictures in this space that were gonna help keep me motivated and want to be in here. I got myself some Bristol board, and I actually printed out a ton of pictures off of Pinterest that just kind of reminded me of good times, healthy, active, good times. I know it can be really toxic when people tell you to put like a photo of a girl that has your dream body as your background. Like, was that 2012 or something? Because those were like messed up times. But for me, just something that motivates me to live a healthier, happier life is seeing things that make me happy and remind me of when I was really super active and just feeling my best self. So that's what some of these pictures reflect. I'm gonna put them on the board, and then we're gonna line it up here above. So something else that I kind of made for this space, kind of thrifty, kind of savvy, kind of, this would probably be all in an app that you'd have to pay like $5.99 a month for, but we're savvy millennials and we're gonna figure out a way to save our coins. So I printed out this little sheet. I will maybe link it down below for you guys if you're interested. And essentially I'm gonna put it in this frame that I literally found on the side of the road. So free points there, no points spent. And it's gonna help me track how many cups of water I intake a day, what workout I do, my energy before working out, and my energy after working out, because I find that sometimes I just get into these exhausted cycles, and it's because I'm not moving my body at all. And then my mood in the morning and my mood in the afternoon, just to kind of help me see that if I do work out, I'm most likely gonna feel better, because I know that's the truth, but sometimes I just get in these ruts where I spiral, and so unamused. So in order to motivate me to use this space consistently, I decided that I needed to bring something in that brought me joy, something that brought me motivation, and something that was going to give me good energy. This is the final space. I love every little detail about it. It's not too complex, but just the fact that everything kind of has its own space is going to make me way more motivated to be in here, to put things back where they belong, and just kind of treat it like I'm going to the gym type of experience or going to a workout class. You know, we've got my own custom scent going on in here and a whole lot of other cute personalized things. So let me know down below what you guys think I should add in or if I should leave it just as is. So never thought I'd see the day that I'd be sitting here with a complete gym, but we did it. I highly recommend you guys go check out Coho. It's something I've been using and loving, and the more friends you refer, the more cash back you can get, up to 10% cash back on money that you already have that you're spending. So why wait? The link is down below for you guys to go check out. DM me if you have any questions or suggestions, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks again, Coho, for sponsoring this video.